Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindo. Today, what you're seeing here is just a whole lot of mess. I will fix it, but right now I am just moving into a different dress. I'll be self-catered this year, and I never thought I'll be self-catered. This dress is called Wits Junction, so I am moving in here. I chose this room like three sharing, meaning that there are three rooms, but then we are sharing the kitchen and the bathroom, but you're having your own room, you're having your own fridge. Okay, so no fighting about somebody's eating my food and stuff like that, which is a good thing. So now this room is it's a mess. I know you can see it, like it's just everywhere. There's KFC there, there's toiletries there. Oh my god, we're even seeing sanitary pads there, but they are clean. So yeah, I'm going to fix this, and after fixing it I will show you. I want to keep this video as short as possible. Okay, yeah, let me get fixing it. I'll see you in a second.